What is up, Steve here? I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to talk about the 10 most overpriced housing markets in the United States, and one of them is my neighboring city here in Southwest Florida. So let's dive into it. I'm going to leave this article for you guys in Business Insider. It goes on to say, check out the latest data that shows where buyers are overpaying according to one study. A monthly data drop last month from Florida Atlantic University and Florida International University calculates where buyers are shelling out big for homes in the largest 100 U.S. cities. It uses data from April and calculates where buyers are paying the largest premiums for homes. Before we get into this, I just want to say the last thing that you want to do is overpay for a house. So don't get emotional if you're in the market to buy. Don't be emotional on any one property. Make multiple offers. The market is starting to shift. But if you can wait it out for 6, 8, 12, 18 months, I think that there's going to be better deals to have if you can wait it out. But anyway, let's dive into it. So we got number one on the list is Boise, Idaho, 72.64% overvalued. Boise has been a hot destination for Californians and apparently millennials. Obviously, a lot of people, there's mass exodus going out of California, and Boise, Idaho has been a hot spot for that. For Californians to jump over to. Next place is Austin, Texas, 67% overvalued. One real estate consultant, Nicholas Gerley, calculated Austin housing costs have gone up 93.5% in the last 2 years, doubled in price. I'm not a big fan of that at all. Ogden, Utah, 64.73% overvalued. Las Vegas, Nevada, 61.48% overvalued. Atlanta, Georgia, 58.01%. I know Atlanta had a lot of institutional investors buying there. Remember, the institutional investors, a lot of them are taking debt, and they're taking adjustable or floating debt. So I think that we're going to see investors start to liquidate in the future when the cost of debt increases to a point where they're not making their yield that they need to make, and we're going to start seeing those properties come to market. So be aware in Atlanta. The next place is Phoenix, Arizona, almost 58% overvalued. Phoenix has become more and more popular with young people seeking warm weather year-round. Next place is Provo, Utah, 57% overvalued. By the way, if you guys live in any of these areas, comment below and let me know your thoughts on the price tag of what houses are going for right now. Number 8, Fort Myers, Florida, 56.26%. I live in Bonita Springs. Fort Myers is just down the street, and the last real estate recession, pretty much this whole area crashed and burned, and unfortunately, we had to help a lot of people short sale their properties, and we became a hot housing market. I called it in a handful of videos in the past on this channel of how really a hot housing market can really hurt the area, because I saw it firsthand, and unfortunately we made that list again, as well as Cape Coral, and I think it's going to happen again, crash our market. The next is Spokane, Washington, 56.25% overvalued, and it says it went up 72.5% from 2020 to 2022. And last but not least, Salt Lake City, Utah, 55.75% overvalued. As mentioned, if you guys can sit on the sidelines for a bit and hold off before overpaying for a property, I highly recommend it. Even right now, I sold my property here. I'm super impatient because I love a good real estate project. And unfortunately, nothing is coming to fruition based on my offers I'm putting out there. I'm putting some low offers out there. I don't think that they're that low, but they are pretty low. And I think that I need to get the price that I need to get. If not, it doesn't work, and I'm just going to move on. I'm not going to get emotionally attached to any one specific property, because I want to have liquid cash ready to go for other distressed assets when they hit. And I believe they are going to hit here in Southwest Florida in my market. So if you've not seen it, I put this other video out on how to prepare and take advantage of big opportunities when the housing market does crash. Be sure you guys check that video out. I'll put it in the description below, and I'll see you guys on that video. Thanks for being here.